And just as you can see, it's a very wide thing. And this is the one Sammy Matty has been waiting for all day. This is like the loose, without smoke. Another bank robbery we have. Okay, there, stop, there is your stop. Well done. Number 55, the Leahy family, the Great Train Robbery. Over 100 years ago, the Great Train Robbery in the history of mankind took place on August the 29th, 1900, when 4 members of the Butch Cassidy gang halted the number 3 train on the Union Pacific Railroad tracks. The bandits forced the conductor at gunpoint to halt the train. They then proceeded to blow up, that sounds ominous, proceeded to blow up the onboard safe in the mail cart to escape with about $5,000 in cash. Big money in 1900s, in the year 1900. The bandits terrorized the passengers by firing their guns into the air and stripping them of their valuables. They made their escape from the locomotive at the front of the train, leaving the passengers sitting on the tracks in the passenger cart. Oh, they're gone, are they? I'm nearly gone too. The Great Train Robbery by the Leahy family and friends. As usual, a very extraordinary entry. Oh God, this is mobilised as well. Ah yes, very high standard indeed. Now just be careful now please.